This video will provide you with an overview of the OS Compile dialog window. To start the OS Compile function, you right-click the OS object in the component view and select Compile. This page is an introduction and provides you with an overview of the procedure for area-oriented OS compilation. Click Next. The assignment page shows you which plant hierarchy folders are assigned to which OS stations as overview area buttons. Click Next. On this page, the left pane displays the operator stations and the assigned areas in a tree. The individual operator stations can be activated and deactivated here. In the right pane, the S7 programs are displayed as a list. For PCS7, the connection is generally named connection, but can be changed by clicking on the Connection button. This opens a network selection dialog that would show the AS to OS connections and allow you to pick one instead of the named connections. Click OK to close this dialog. Click the Next button. On this page, you specify the data to be compiled and the scope of the compilation. Options that are not relevant for your target system are grayed out and cannot be selected. The compilation time can be improved by only selecting the OS data that has changed. For example, you may have made changes in your project that affect the OS tags, so you could deselect the SFC visualization and picture tree options. If you select the entire OS only option, then OS data will be deleted and regenerated for only the selected areas. OS data for deselected areas will remain in the database. If you select the entire OS and with memory reset, then all OS data will be deleted, including deselected areas. Data will be regenerated for only the selected areas. If you select the Changes option, then only the OS relevant data that has changed gets generated, and you maintain the ability to download changes to the online OS. The minimum acquisition cycle of the archive tags option allows you to specify the shortest acquisition cycle for archiving analog variables. The With Interconnection Partner SFC option enables the picture jump function in WinCC runtime, and the OS comments are expanded to include their interconnection partner. The compression option enables compression of configured archive tags using the compression method's factor for minimum acquisition cycle, deviation, and overwrite configuration of existing archive tags. Click Next. Click the Compile button and watch the progress. This concludes the video on an overview of the OS Compile dialog windows.